Welcome to the high-tech bamboo processing factory, where raw bamboo leaves are carefully brought in for transformation. From the moment they arrive on the conveyor belt, the leaves are meticulously handled and prepared for the next steps.
Leaves need a lining
This
here.
is where nature meets technology,
There, that's better.
setting the stage for an incredible journey of innovation. Next, the bamboo leaves are thoroughly washed using high-pressure water jets, ensuring every leaf is clean and ready for further processing. Automated systems scrub the leaves, while workers inspect their quality under bright lights. With this cleansing, the bamboo is now purified and ready to be transformed.
These look clean now. Good. Double check under the light. Spotless. Ready for drying.
Now, the bamboo leaves are ground into fine fibers. The grinding machines crush the leaves into a soft, fine material that will be carefully inspected for consistency. This process turns raw bamboo into the fibers that will eventually resemble human hair, preparing them for the final transformation.
Straighten these fibers as they come off.
Got it. Sorting the button now.
Bamboo fibers are then treated with a special chemical solution that softens and refines them, giving them a texture similar to human hair. Robotic arms gently stir the solution to ensure even coating, and after a final inspection, these fibers are now ready for spinning into smooth, flexible strands. At this stage, the bamboo fibers are spun into long, strong strands. The fibers are woven and styled into beautiful bamboo hair extensions and wigs. The final product, crafted from sustainable bamboo, is ready to be packaged and shipped, showcasing the potential of bamboo as a natural, hair-like material.
Final checks complete, ready for sign-off.
Before shipment, the bamboo hair products undergo a final quality check. Each strand is inspected for texture, strength, and consistency, ensuring it meets our high standards. Only the